What's going on, knuckleheads? So as you can see, we've got the bike loaded up. It is, what is it, June 14th? 13th? It's time for Hog Rock. Let's go. What is going on, knuckleheads? I already covered most of this, but we are headed to Hog Rock. It is Thursday morning, 10:30, which I was going to leave at 9, but I decided not to. Not that I couldn't, just pushed it back a little bit. I figured if I got there a little later, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. Let the line of people that got there bright and early this morning get through. Maybe there won't be a huge wait for me to sign it and get in, pay my fees. Anyway, I am going to try to be better about the vlogging than I have been in the past. Hopefully we're picking up audio. Hopefully I've got the fucking audio issues sorted out. As you can see, I'm still not rocking anything other than the Roll Rock Shockwave. Now, what else do I got for you? Gonna be camped with a few good friends again. But yeah, I'll come up with something else to tell you. I'll turn the cameras back on then.
My OCD is fucking with me hard. Fuck! No! 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 You son of a bitch! No! No! Get it, girl. Take all the time you need. Oh, it's fine.
On some pop shit, pussy like crack when they hit it like dope. Got a real hot box, but a bitch don't smoke. Hot girl, but I'm still the coldest. Hey, I'm a big homie, but I ain't the oldest. Bitch drop.
Well, made it home from Hog Rock without getting injured this time. Bike is filthy, about like always. The fucking golf cart wouldn't run on Saturday, Friday or Saturday. So that's a bummer. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when uploading. I'll see you guys in the next one.